ARGUS Cloud Warehouse allows you to leverage your accumulated ARGUS information to create reports containing details from both ARGUS Enterprise and ARGUS Taliance. ARGUS Cloud Warehouse is the centralized repository for all your ARGUS forecasting outputs, where you have direct access to the database of results, the ability to connect your own external BI tools, and the ability to create your own reports based on your ARGUS data. By using ACW, you have the capability to join data from multiple solutions for dynamic, customized reporting, like investor return reports and executive dashboards. ACW gives you the capability to filter ARGUS Enterprise properties based on the investment hierarchy from ARGUS Taliance and to see exposure for funds or investors all the way down to the lease level. It's important to understand what the ARGUS Cloud Warehouse is doing and its need within the business. ACW represents a way for our users to get access to their data. At Altus, we're developing a theme around data and allowing our clients to better leverage the data they already have. ACW enables our clients to report differently out of ARGUS. ARGUS Enterprise has robust reporting out of the box, but if you want anything customized, it does require you to go outside the solution. With ACW, you can format reports in other ways and, depending on your BI tool, perform additional calculations outside of ARGUS. With a connection into Excel, Power BI, or Tableau, you can contextualize non-ARGUS data with ARGUS results in your in-house data warehouse and ultimately share these results with management. ACW opens up the gateway to data utilizing the BI tool of your choice, and better reporting can be facilitated via a BI tool. More and more organizations in the industry are using tools like Power BI, Tableau, and ClickSense, among others. ACW enables reporting across an entire investment hierarchy or fund. It allows you to have a combined data set for both ARGUS Enterprise and ARGUS Taliance. For added flexibility in reporting, ACW lets you move data out into your own data warehouse. So what does that look like conceptually? The red boxes in the middle of the screen represent AE and AT, the two main solutions of the ARGUS investment suite that generate and aggregate data. Over on the left of the screen are the ways we can get data into an ARGUS database. The ARGUS connector moves data from an external program directly to your ARGUS solution without the need for any additional development work or middleware on your side. ARGUS APIs allow us to move and manipulate data between systems, but remember, it does require a middleware application to work. ARGUS Voyanta is our data aggregation and validation solution, which allows clean data to flow to AE or AT. And of course, you can always manually input data into either solution. Once data gets to AE or AT, it can flow from the ARGUS Cloud database to the ARGUS Cloud Warehouse, which you can see over on the right of the screen. ARGUS Cloud Warehouse is built off Snowflake technology. Snowflake does a lot of the joins and SQL unions between the tables in the database. For the practical application, we'll start off in a business intelligence tool. I'm using Power BI. With another BI tool, the user interface will be slightly different, but at the end of the day, you're getting access to the same data. What we provide to you is the connection to the database. In Power BI, the connection to the data is set through the Get Data menu. I'll navigate to More and search for ODBC. Once the connection is made, whether it's in Excel via the data tabs or in a BI tool like this, the reporting tool will open the schema. You will see we have the dimension and fact tables, which is a standard star schema. ACW gives access to over 130 tables within AE and performs SQL joins and unions to pare that down to about 20 tables, which allows report creators to access the data more easily. You can recognize where the data is coming from based on the AE or AT suffix. You can start creating your own data model based on the types of reports you're wishing to build. All the data is appropriately labeled, making it easy to use. For example, anything to deal with debt is labeled loan. I can also search for inflation and find all inflation-related items. An end user can easily add data if necessary, like lease data, using a simple drag and drop. I can filter to only report on specific scenarios or property types, and if you wish to show this periodically, we simply drag the date and the values. These are all functions of the BI tool of your choice. ACW provides reporting options beyond what's possible with standard access to AE in the Consolidated Reports and Analysis dashboard. Another advantage to utilizing the ARGUS Cloud Warehouse is that historically, if you were not an ARGUS user, you'd have to contact an ARGUS user to generate a report for you with ARGUS results. Because ACW utilizes BI tools, your organization could have an internal server for Power BI or Tableau and give people that are not ARGUS Enterprise users access to these reports. This is really a way to add robustness to the reporting capabilities with ARGUS data. If we navigate now to Excel, notice that Excel will display the same data but in a tabular format because there is not a user interface like we just saw through Tableau or Power BI. Ultimately, this information could populate any templates or macros you may have already built, like a waterfall distribution. For example, an Excel pro forma with profit distribution calculations can be populated with the facts and forecasts from your AE property models, allowing you to confidently calculate and report on sophisticated waterfall distributions to increase investor confidence. ARGUS Cloud Warehouse makes it easy to integrate your ARGUS Enterprise and ARGUS Taliance data directly into popular BI tools and existing data warehouses without the need for complex IT projects and custom integration. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact your ARGUS account executive to learn more about the features discussed here.